Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 14 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So all we have to do is to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on delete browsing data. So here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies cache and other site data. You can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, 4 weeks or all time. It's totally up to you, and then tap on delete data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options, and here we've got them. So saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can change the time range again and simply tap on delete data. We just got back to the home page, which means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.